Hello guys, this is Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope you guys are doing well. Starting off with a 68 Dodge Dart and the 50th anniversary series. And it's got a matte black finish, gold rims, bumpers and grill. And got some cars to show Mike Dyson tonight and see if anything you need, Mike, let me know. Email me after the video, let me know. I may not get back to you right away because I gotta be to work early tomorrow, and I'm off Wednesday, so I'll probably get you a message tomorrow after, about tomorrow afternoon during my lunch hour. And then you let me know what you need out of the ones I have extras of. So alright, let's go to the next one, guys. Next one, 70 Chevelle SS Wagon. It's a Hurst logo on there, Hurst Shifters logo. And it's a great looking casting. I love this Chevelle wagon. It's a big wagon too. It's a very heavy car. And had this in my collection for quite a while. I'm really glad I have it. No detail front or back because of the chrome on it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Next one, 68 Hemi Barracuda on the 50th anniversary reissue with red lines. It's one of my definitely my favorite car of the set. That one in the Camaro, and have the full set. And I thank Rat Black for sending me that blue Camaro, which I was finally able to get my hands on. He sent it to me because he knew I needed that last car. It was really hard to find, and I thank him for it. Alright, let's go to the next one. Next one, Ford Thunderbolt. It's got a Spectra Flame, like pink color. Black and white flames there. It's a pretty sweet looking car, just no detail front or back. But it's great looking casting. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Next one, Dodge Coronet Superbeast. It's got the rat black finish to it, and it's a Walgreens exclusive. That's a great looking casting. Love this car. This one's beautiful. I absolutely love this car. We have about 6 different Dodge Coronet Superbeast, 5 of which are Hot Wheels, and the other one, I think it's Johnny Lightning or M2 or something like that. or even a green light. But it's a great looking casting. Alright guys, next one. 87 Buick Regal GNX. Beautiful casting. I like this one. I got two Fast and Furious Buick Regals. This one has the real riders on it. It's a great looking casting. I like this one a lot. This was a very popular car. Back in the day. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. I got 4 left and car of the day. The next one, 72 Ford Maverick. Yeah, this one's great looking casting. It's Johnny Lightning. Let me open the hood, guys. Great looking casting. I really like this. My favorite Maverick in my collection. Really. This is definitely going nowhere. It's a great looking casting. I love the color. Detail on the engine. This is just a great looking car. All the way around. Great detail too. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Next one, 68 Camaro Yanko. There guys, hold on a second. Yeah, there we go. I forgot the hood doesn't open up on this one. Yeah, it's yeah, 68 Camaro, Chevy Camaro Yanko. That's it. This one's really nice, really sweet looking Camaro. It's a rare Camaro too, that's for sure. A lot of really nice detail to it. And, alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Next one's a 67 Oldsmobile 442 W30. Hold on, open the hood on this one. Real nice detail on this engine. I always love bringing this one out in my videos. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous car. There again, it's got a lot of really nice detail to it. And real nice casting. Johnny Lightning did a really good job on this car. Alright guys, let's go to the last one. Last one. Oh, okay, this one's a 66 Dodge Charger. Great looking casting, great car. Love this color. I have a light blue one as well. Two of these. Two in different color variation. This one's just absolutely gorgeous car. It's also a very big car and it's very fast. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the last one, which is car of the day. I'm gonna get everything ready. Show you car of the day here in just a second. Alright guys, here we go. It's a 70 Chevelle SS. This one's gorgeous looking casting. Yeah, this one's really in a lot of nice detail to it. I've had this one for quite a while. A beautiful looking casting now. Really enjoy this one. Anyway guys, I'm going to pull out the cars here for Mike Tyson. See if anything he needs that you need, Mike. So let's get to it. Alright, Mike. If there's anything you want, just let me know. And we'll make a trade. Got a few cars here. Those are all the ones I have, my most recent. So if there's anything you see in here you'd like to make a trade on, let me know, and we'll go from there and see what I get in the future. And then go ahead and make our trade. And go back to the 66 Dodge Charger here. And guys, hope you had a good day. Hopefully you guys will be able to make comments on this video. Second time within the last 3 months. I don't understand this, so I have some cars here I wouldn't want no kids touching. So, just the way it is. This is Diecast channel. That's all there is to it. Nothing here for a kid to play with. Because I don't race them down the track, I just keep them on here. So, it is the way it is. We'll just wait and see what happens. Hopefully we'll get comments on this one. Alright guys, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, please subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. You guys have a good night, be good to each other, be well, and I'll be talking to you guys real soon. This is Mike from Nitro Speed. I'm out of here. See ya.